Hey everyone, Chris Gonzalez at All Western Mortgage. So today's hashtag loan tip of the week is asking you the question, what are you qualified for on your mortgage and what is your search criteria for a home? I'm asking this question because if you are looking in the Phoenix market, you're going to notice that the inventory is fairly low. And what that means is it's a seller's market. It's still a good time to buy. Doesn't mean you shouldn't look at homes, but what you need to think about is if you're looking at what your maximum qualification is as a way to find a house that you like or your dream home, but you're not finding anything in that price point, then maybe it's time to consider another solution. Maybe it's time to be a little bit more competitive and look at the homes that have probably been on the market for a little bit longer than normal and that are also probably a little bit below that price point that you're max qualified for. Now, what am I talking about? Let's just take, for example, that you're pre-qualified for a loan amount of $350,000 and you're looking at a max price point of about $350 to $370. There are a lot of homes on the market for that price point, but a lot of those homes probably need updating. Now, if you're already at your max price point and you want to buy those homes but they need updating, chances are you're already maxed out. You're going to have to come out with your own cash or come out with another solution for financing any type of remodel or rehab that you want to do. Now, I'm not talking about a full gut job where you go down to the studs and you take out everything in the home and make it brand new. That's not what I'm talking about. There are lots of homes out there that have great bones, have great structure. All they need is what's called a lipstick renovation. Basically, all the surface stuff. Maybe new paint, new floors, an update on the kitchen, update on a couple of the bathrooms. When I talk to clients, that's mostly what they want. So here's something to consider. Maybe take a look at your search criteria, talk with your realtor, and see about homes that are in those same areas but that are at a lesser price point. There is financing available to include the cost of those renovations or upgrades in your first mortgage so that you don't have to come out of pocket any cash or any additional financing to pay for those remodels. So if you have any questions about that, give me a call. We'll talk to you about how to set up a strategy for looking for that right home and what your budget's going to be for a renovation or rehab. We do go over a little bit of what your wants are so we can kind of get an idea of what that cost would be, but we'll put it in terms of what your monthly payment would look like. Remember, give me a call, 480-442-4494. Thank you for watching this video and be sure to like our Facebook page. Have a great week.